Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the carrot beetroot orange juice. Now, this is 100% detox and is a must try in empty stomach before breakfast. For this, I'm going to start with chopping a large beetroot and then adding it to the mixer jar. We'll top this up with 1 cup of carrots which are nicely chopped, preferably Ooty carrots because they are more juicy. We will then top it up with some oranges which are nicely de-seeded because seeds provide a lot of bitterness. We'll top it up with some mint leaves as well and follow it up with some soaked chia seeds. Now we then add some ice cubes to beat the summer heat. We will then top it up with some salt. We'll add some pepper for taste. We will then top it up with some lemon juice to provide us with a tangy taste. We will then add enough water to submerge all of these fruits and vegetables, and before we add more ingredients, we're grinding it in the mixer grinder. Run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles come out. Add enough honey depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Our 100% detox drink is now ready to be had.